Welcome to Tekedia Capital. This is an overview of the 18 startups which are participating in Tekedia Capital H1 2025 investment cycle. The first is African Food Meal Delivery Company in the United States. Essentially, you have an opportunity to order for African food and they will deliver this to you. This company is partnering with Cloud Kitchens, founded by Uber founder. So we believe that many African diaspora, they also crave for that egusi soup amala and all the good stuff they have been used in continental Africa. This company will bring that aspiration, unbounded by geography, to those in the United States. The second is one of the finest crypto infrastructure companies in Africa. It has built the best API plugins, SDKs, that will make it possible to participate at the creative productive elements of digital economy within that crypto and blockchain space. So this company is also seeking a microfinance license to now have a digital asset banking institution, making it possible that the pursuit of entrepreneurial capitalism within the crypto space will be unbounded and unconstrained because all the regulatory ordinances will all be well managed. We believe this is a Cambrian moment of entrepreneurial capitalism, and young people are going to lead. We also have an AI engine used by leading firms for AI charts. In other words, there is this critical element of artificial intelligence, and this company has actually baked something great that many leading companies around the world are using. AI power real estate brokerage company in the United States. AI is penetrating, going into different sectors. Of course, real estate cannot be left behind. A flat fee regulatory ordinance which Biden administration passed makes it possible that transparency, visibility of what you pay in that transaction is evident. So this company is capitalizing on that, using AI to make it possible that you are going to have a video-powered discovery process. So at the end of the day, you feel good, you bought a new house. New RAG with agentic engine for AI. When you're looking at RAG, it's a very critical part of the retrieval generation system within the AI development process. This company is building something new, trying to find a better way of doing that, using page ranking, visualization, and the same technology framework that Google used to create a better Google search engine than what Yahoo had. Live event language translation engine. Speaking in Tokyo, people in South Korea, in Seoul, people in Nigeria, people in Ogadagu, all of them can hear you live at the same time because this company makes it possible that that translation happens at this immediately at real time. So we also have an exchange infrastructure company where everything is now put on a microprocessor. There is no need for the data center. They are saying that this is going to be the new domain, that you don't have to be a high frequency trader trying to collocate your engines very close to the exchange because they put everything in a silicon chip. It's really very amazing because it's going to change the whole constellation of everything about exchange. So the point is this: something better than Coinbase is on the way. I mean, that depends if they can execute it the way they have put it together. So we still have a biotech company. It's trying to deal with extremely bad stuff, neurological disease, by using AI system in drug development and discovery. So dealing with epilepsy, Parkinson's disease, profound severe autism. They want to build these systems with AI. And these guys are PhDs from Oxford University. They've all come together to make better things for the world. So that all diseases will only be in the history books. So you still have a B2B company for emerging markets. I mean, beauty is one of the fastest growing sectors in sub-Saharan Africa right now. And also, if you move around in other parts of the developing world, China, India, it's a very big, big developing sector. This company wants to become an operating system, making it possible, irrespective of where you are in the developing world. You are going to look the way you want to look. We have a very good experience in this space because we invested in the basically in the shoe part, found out well, investing in the FMGQ, fast moving consumer goods, extremely beautiful. So we believe that B2B e-commerce, and we can also bring order in the beauty space. So gaming engine and platform for with AI development. In other words, how do you make new games? Even the players can create games. You want to build that game you want to play. This company, using AI development tools, will empower you, will make it possible for you to be a creator and also be a developer. The beauty of it. So, aggregator for EV chargers for fleets. In other words, you have 1,000 electric vehicles. You don't really have the capital capacity to start building charging systems across all the paths these vehicles are moving. Is that an opportunity for you to lease? What this company is doing is to provide you with the necessary framework so that you don't have to start building infrastructure that at the end of the day will be underutilized. So they're working with some of the leading investors within this space of EV charging network, and now working with companies with fleets, telecoms company, big technology companies that have a lot of vehicles moving around the United States. And they will say, you just pay a fee. We will connect you with where these things could be charged. They build that system. They have the technology. They make everything work and everyone is better. So making things in this space, zero gravity, and we believe in future. That zero gravity provides a competitive positioning. Hey, you're going to make silicon, microprocessors, integrated circuits, pharmaceuticals. That is what this company is doing. And the reason you reusable satellites to actually make it possible that such things can happen. So we also have modernized AI localization engine. This is going to be key because at the end of everything, all businesses going to be localized for you to have competitive advantages, because whether you are building AI models for, hey, you have to ask yourself, how is that model relevant in that particular local market? This company provides necessary tools to help localize whatever model, whatever system, whatever AI technology that people have. By software companies, he replaces humans with AI agents. He scales profit. The vision and the goal is to have a $10 billion company with largely no human being, because AI agents will be. This is a holding private equity investment company, and it is having a simple mission across the beautiful America. Find high growing software as a service company, acquire them, pay people off, and then transform them by replacing humans where as much as possible with AI agents. I mean, is what it takes. So use AI to dictate voice-based fraud and more. You want to see how are you going to make sure that phone call that is calling the bank, calling the fintech company, calling that you can actually use AI to dictate who is lying, who is not. And then also handle compliance, simplifying things because you have intelligence systems that can actually make things happen. Command line interface for machine level modeling. You are trying to improve the efficiency of the CPU, GPU within that infrastructure system. Saying go down to the level of command line interface. Because when you go there, you are going to optimize things. I mean, I have built microprocessors. I understand what it means to go at the level of the firmware, where you are now coding to improve the capacity of that microprocessor to do what you designed it for. That is where you optimize. That is where you bake that microprocessor that it can run fast and efficient. This startup is providing a framework where that command line interface, you can improve whatever that is happening at that graphical processing unit. And then a fintech company that helps AI agents collect money. That's paytech. You call a center, it's a voice, it's whatever, it's agent to agent, it's web. This company understands how to make sure you are paid. And because traditional fintech companies are built that humans have to initiate most of these payments. And that is why they want to verify whether you're human. What if you are sending AI agents to shop for you? How are they going to allow you to actually make money as a merchant? What this company is doing, what if you enter the age of autonomous systems where you send agents to go and do stuff for you? Are they going to make them impossible for them to do the job? This company says, bring those agents in. We will make sure you are not going to be at risk. You, the merchant, we know which agent is right. That is the future, and that is the future of AI. And we believe that this fintech company provides a vehicle for that payment to go through. We want to see the stripe of the AI era, the PayPal of the AI era. This business offers us an opportunity to do that. So, gentlemen and ladies, we're so excited to have an opportunity to present these 18 companies. And we ask you to join us as we continue this tradition of entrepreneurial capitalism, where we bring these companies to work with us so that at the end of the day, frictions will be fixed. Because when we have the ability to fix frictions in the markets, we will uplift humans, uplift communities, and advance the prosperity of all. Just like University of Nigeria and Sugar say, to restore the dignity of man and woman, machines, humans, we have to do what we have to do. We have to fix frictions. We ask you to join us as we empower these businesses to restore the dignity of man and woman by building products and services that make us live better. Thank you. Tekedia Capital. Welcome.